It's the week for me, honey. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, I am Sophanie and welcome. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing a review on this hair right here. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe if you haven't, like this video, and stay tuned. So this hair is from Amazon, from a company called Beauty Forever. I don't know if you guys can see the name. I don't know, let me see. I think it's too white. It's called Beauty Forever. The company name is Beauty Forever. So this is their logo and the brand name right here on the little box. So the wig came in this cute little box. This is the wig in this plastic bag. So inside the box, it came with a wig cap and a headband. But actually, these type of headbands are my favorite. I had a lot of these. I love these. These were like really cute for ponytails, whatever. So I'm just gonna take the hair out of the bag. Oh, this is so cute. So it has this paper inside to keep the wig in shape, and a fishnet cap to protect the wig. So cute. So this is the hair. The length is 16" and T-part. It has a fake scalp and it's in piano color ombre. It's 150% density. The hair can be dyed and flat ironed. So what I love about this hair is I don't have to make a ball cap, which saved me so much time because it came with a fixed scalp, as you guys can see. So in the inside of the wig, it came with 3 combs, 2 on the side and 1 in the back and bottom right here. It came with 3 little combs, and plus it came with 2 adjustable straps, so there is no way this will going to fly out your head, period. The wig is already pre-plucked. I don't really have to do anything to it. I love the perimeter. It looks so natural. Yeah, let's put her on. Alrighty. I'm excited. I washed and braided my hair this morning. So I'm just gonna wear a wig cap underneath it to protect my hair. So before we put her on, I'm gonna cut this little lace, extra lace in the back. So yeah. Wow, I am absolutely in love with this hair already. So let's put her on. So we're just gonna go ahead and put her on. Oh my god. Oh wow, this is beautiful. I don't know if I should clean up my forehead because I'm trying to glue the wig down so it doesn't move. Let's cut this extra lace off. I don't think I need to go in. Oh, wow, I look like a whole new person. Period. So I'm just gonna wipe my forehead before applying the glue. Okay. So I just wipe my forehead. And I'm just gonna go in with the Ghost Bond lace glue. And I'm just gonna let it air dry. Oh my god, I really need my clips. I don't know where my clips at. Wow. Alright, so I'm just gonna slide my wig right on here. I didn't really need to glue it down, but girl, like for more security, I had to. Wow, the texture is really soft. No tangles. Look at it. Ooh, she's bad. So I'm running my finger through it. No tangles, no nothing. You don't really need comb or brush to fix this wig. Ooh, this is so bomb. Beauty Forever came through, baby. Period poo. I am loving this wig. Yes. I love the volume, the softness. Oh, so amazing. The color. Because I really love how natural the pyramidal look. I don't really need foundation, but I'm gonna add a little bit of foundation in the middle so it can match my skin tone. We don't really need that, but I'm gonna do it anyways. I'm gonna add a little bit. Look how beautiful. Like, this is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm gonna straighten it. Can you tell the difference? I love it. So this is the wig, you guys. I absolutely love the final result. Like, girl, it's the wig for me. Like, new wig, who this? If you want to purchase this wig, everything will be in my description box below with discount code and with all the details that you're supposed to know about this wig. You guys will not be disappointed. Like, I absolutely love this wig. I think it's one of my favorite wigs. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you so much for supporting me. Keep supporting me. I love you guys. Bye. Thank you so much. See you on the next one.